From the foregoing discussions, we have understood that present-day river Satluj was responsible for the great deluge. And we have already got to know that river Yamuna and river Satudri are one and the same, and it is Satluj. But this is not the end of it. We have to address another issue. The above hymn of Ramayana says that Yamuna meets Ganga. We know that river Satluj was recognized as Satudri by historians. And geologists are telling that Satluj used to reach Ghaggar at Ropar in the past. So we have to investigate if the present Ghaggar was called as Ganga in the ancient times. But let us remember that earlier I have called Ghaggar as ancient Drashadwati based on Manusmriti. So there is a possibility of Ghaggar having two names to its credit. Let us find out if our proposition that Ghaggar had two names is true by using two parameters, namely Ganga and Gangeya. Let us remember that all along this investigation, we have been referring to the ancient Indus Valley as ancient Sapta Sindhu Valley. Sapta Sindhu means a system of 7 rivers. Actually, this phrase of Sapta Sindhu was adopted by historians for Indus Valley rivers because of several references are found in Rigveda about Sapta Sindhu. And it was thought that Aryans first entered into Indus Valley area before spreading into Gangetic belt. Let it be. Sapta means number 7. Sindhu means water. So meaning of Sapta Sindhu is 7 rivers. But even after Panjanath meets river Sindh, then the system comprises of 6 rivers only. So geographically at present we have only 6 rivers in this Sapta Sindhu belt. So there is a deficit of 1 river in the 7 river system of Sapta Sindhu. And it must have been presumed by historians that the missing river might be the legendary river Saraswati. On ground, Ghaggar is found to be a missing river. This may be one of the reasons for pointing fingers at a dried up river Ghaggar as river Saraswati by some historians. Let it be. Atharvaveda says that southern people were blessed, for they would be able to worship 7 Saraswati rivers at a single place. It must be referring to Mohenjo-daro people. So there must have been a river comprising of 7 rivers in it flowing near to Mohenjo-daro. Surprisingly, we find that river Sindh is called as Saptanad in Sindh province. So there must be another river which would have been meeting river Sindh upstream of Mohenjo-daro, but maybe after Metankot, where Panjanath meets river Sindh. Interestingly, geologists have discovered that Ghaggar-Hakkara river was used to join river Sindh in Sindh province, traversing via places like Khairpur, Nawabshah, Shangar and Tharparkar during ancient times. However, this point of confluence is yet to be located. And let us note that Ramayana confirms this aspect. Saraswatincha Gangancha Yugmena Prachapadyata Uttaram Veeramasyanam Bharundam Pravishadvanam. This sloka says that the erstwhile Matsyadesha was located to the north of the point of confluence of rivers Saraswati and Ganga. I have proved that the present-day Cholistan desert area was the erstwhile Matsyadesha in my book A Tribute to the Ancient World of India. So Mohenjo-daro should become the place lying to the south of Matsyadesha accordingly. And according to Ramayana, Ganga should meet Saraswati. We have learned that Ghaggar used to join river Sindh during ancient times from geologists. And Ramayana says that Yamuna joins Ganga before it diverted its course of flow. And also we have noted that present-day Satluj used to join river Ghaggar at Ropar. We know that river Satluj was river Satudri. So from the above 2 counts, we have to understand that river Ghaggar was ancient river Ganga without any doubt. But let us remember that at the beginning of this program, I have called Ghaggar as the ancient Drashadwati. Now I am telling that Ghaggar is Ganga. So we have to conduct some more research to get things right. Now let us get back to our maps. Here in the eastern side of this map, we can observe several dotted lines representing Ghaggar and its tributaries. If we count them, their number comes to 6. And one of the tributaries of Ghaggar lying in southeastern side is presently called as Drashadwati. Etymologically, Drashadwati sounds like Ghaggar. And word Drishadwati is a combination of three words. They are Dhru, Shat and Vati. Dhru means stream, Shat means 6 and Vati means abode. So meaning of word Drishadwati can be read as a goddess that dwells in a river system comprising of 6 streams in it. In our endeavor to claim that Ghaggar had two names to its credit in ancient times, we have to take the help of Lord Skanda, who is also called as Kartikeya, Shadanana, Subramanya, Kumara and Gangeya. Almost all Puranas and Itihasas make mention of Kartikeya. Let us study how Ramayana eulogizes him. Pradurbhutam tathakshiram krutikanamam uttamam shannam shadanano bhutva jagraha sthanajam payaha. Meaning of this hymn is like this. Kartikeya got his name from the fact that he was breastfed by 6 mothers called Kritikas, and because he suckled the breasts of 6 mothers, he had developed 6 heads, and hence he is also called as Shadanana, the 6-headed god. And this is a comprehensive narration given in Ramayana about Kartikeya and Shadanana. Shadanana means 6-headed. We find Ghaggar and its tributaries are made up of 6 rivers, and we have seen that Drishadwati means 6-river system. We have noted that words Ghaggar and Drishadwati are related to each other etymologically, and one of the epithets of Shadanana is Gangeya. So we can conclude that ancient Ghaggar had 2 names to its credit. One name is Drishadwati and another name is Ganga. And let us remember that we have already identified our Sindh as the erstwhile river Saraswati, and also we have found that ancient Indus Valley region is the erstwhile Brahmavarta.